Good morning, my dear students. I'm here with my new class that is on mathematics of class 8. You can see the lesson number 6, square and about square root. So देखिए आप लोग को हम ये क्लास 8 का स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट चैप्टर हम पढ़ाने जा रहा है. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा आपको अगर अच्छे से आप कंसेप्ट को क्लियर कर लोगे. इफ यू हैव solid concept about the topic, then it will be very easy to understand the things. Okay, so right, are you ready? So before studying the chapter square and square root, I want to let's forget about square and square root, come to the another context. Okay, you know about natural numbers. Natural numbers are very easy, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the natural numbers. So I have written some natural numbers. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These are the natural numbers, no doubt, right? Now what I will do, 1, then 1 plus 2. How much it is? Obviously it is 3. And again, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. What the sum is? The sum is 6. Right? Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What will be the sum? You can see 7. 7 plus 3, it's a 10. Now you can see the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10. These numbers have special name. The special name, what will the special name? That name is, these are known as triangular number. Have you heard about triangular numbers? What these are? These are, let me explain it. What is about triangular number? Suppose 1. 1 you know, this is 1. 3. 3 have 1 plus 2, so it's a 3. Now we can make a triangle here, yes or not? This is, we can form a triangle. Again we have 6, this is 1, 2 and a 3. So let us make it again. We can make a triangle here. So in this way, again 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is. Again we got a triangle. So that's why this 1, 3, 6, 10. These are known as triangular number. Now what is to do with the triangular number? Let me explain again. If we add this number, suppose if we add this two number, so we have 4. We'll get 4. 3 plus 1, it's a 4. Then when this dot you can place here, so we'll get this type of square you will get. Now we will get a square. Again, when we add these two number, this is 3 plus 6, it's a 9. Okay, 9. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I mean this and this, when I join here, this triangle and this triangle when I place here, then this triangle and this triangle when you will join, and another square will form. So this is 9. Again, when I add this 6 and 10, look here, it is a 16. Again this triangle and this triangle will add up. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this 1, 2. Again a square you will get. So this is something you need to know. With the triangular number, we can find the square numbers. When we add two triangle number, then it's 1 plus 3, it's a 4. And when this plus this triangle and this circle, when we add, then a square we form. Again this triangle and this triangle, when we add, it's a 9. It's a square number. Again, now these three are square. So 4 you can write. This 4 can be right. This is 4 equal to 2 into 2. You can write. Again 9, that equal to 3 into 3, because it's a 3 times 3. This 3 and this 3. Sum up is 9. Again 16. This 4 and this 4. So 4 times 4. So it is 16. This is square numbers. Now what is the definition of the square number? अगर definition आपको पूछे तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Let's come to know about that definition. Definition for any integer. It may be 1, it may be minus 1, it may be 2, 3, whatever the integers is. Suppose I am taking an integer. If n is the integer, is an integer, then the n squared is called the square number. So in terms of definition, if anyone asks you, then you should write this. If n is an integer, then n square is called the square number. So this is square. Yeah. Have you clear about that? Okay, good. Now, 2 being a square number. अगर एक नंबर स्क्वायर होने के लिए क्या जरूरी है? What are the criteria? So let us learn about that. Okay, right? Fine. So write some criteria. For being a square number. To being a square number, what are the criteria? Let us know about that. अगर एक स्क्वायर नंबर होने के लिए आपको एक नंबर को क्या होना चाहिए, उसका क्या कैरेक्टर होने चाहिए? Okay? So first of all, first character, it must not, the number must not end with the 4 digits. I mean 2, 3 and 7 and 8. If any number, suppose one number I am taking 1, 2, 3. Okay, since this number is end with 3, so it's the number never it will be a square number. Similarly, if a number, अगर कोई नंबर अगर 2 पे खत्म हो रहा है, देखिए आप, if it is suppose 5 1 2, okay, 5 1 2, 2 ये खत्म हो रहा है 2 पे, the number is end with 2, so it's never be a square number. So this is the first criteria. A number will never be a square number when it's end with the digits 2, 3, 7, 8. So if any number ends with the digits 2, 3, 7 and 8 are never be a square number. Right? You got it? If any number it ends with 2, 3, 7 and 8 with the digits 2, 3, 7 8 माइनट 2 3 7 8। अगर कोई भी नंबर आपको अगर 2 पे खत्म हो रहा है, 3 पे खत्म हो रहा है, 7 और 8 पे खत्म हो रहा है, नेवर इट विल बी ए, आपको लिख देना है, वो नहीं होगा, इट विल नेवर बी ए स्क्वायर नंबर। ओके, कम टू द सेकंड। नंबर 2 क्राइटेरिया वो क्या हो सकता है? से फॉर एग्जाम्पल I have a number, suppose it's a 10. Can you say 10 is a square number? No. 20 is square? No. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I mean, a number which is end with a single zero never will be a square number. So that point also you note it. A number which is end with a single zero never ends. It will be never a square number. Similarly, a number which are end with not an even number of zeros. I mean, अगर एक नंबर के पीछे अगर सिंगल जीरो है या फिर 2-3 जीरो है या फिर 5 जीरो, it's end with 5 zeros like this type way. If number of zeros are even after the digits, then they never be a square number. So this is an important note, you should note it. So that is about. So these are some criteria you have. But whether you can say that if any number which is not end with this number but it's end with another number, it may be a square or not. That's a concern matter. Suppose if any number is end with 5, suppose it is 15. 15 starts with means end with 5, but it is not a square. So if the numbers end with rest of this number, I mean 1, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, okay, 9, then they may be square, but there is no certainty that it will be a square number. ये स्क्वायर ही होगा बोल के कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, ठीक है। लेकिन if the numbers end with 2, 3, 7, 8, but definitely not a square number. Got it? Right? Okay. So these are the some important things about the square number. So to know better square number, you need to write square numbers. Minimum you should know up to 1 to 50 square numbers. So let us write some square numbers. Make a table at its. I mean you have to make a list of a table, and you have to just write on your in front of your table. You must keep it, you fix it, and you always look it and memorize it. So you can make in this way. The table is number or integer number, natural number I mean, and this is square number. Suppose this is 1. For 1, 1 1 is 1. So it is 1 1 is 1. It's a 1. Again for 2, it's a 2 into 2. It's a 4. Again it's a 3. It's a 3 into 3. 9. So for 1, the square number is 1. For 2, square number is 4. But 3, square number is 9. So in this way, you must write minimum 50. You must know, you must memorize minimum 50 up to 1 to 50 the square numbers you must know. Otherwise if you will do so, then it will be very easy. अगर आप ये कर लोगे, अगर भाई आपको ये मेमोराइज हो गया तो समझो आप मैथमेटिक्स में हो गया, आपका काम बेड़ा पार होगा, ये आप समझ लीजिए, ठीक है। तो ये आप करो ऐसे करके up to write you up to 50. Okay, 1 2 3 in this way up to 50 you make a list. I have a square number 50 into 50, then it will be 2500. So then you can see these are the square numbers. You have to make a list. So आपको कैसा लगा मेरा क्लास? मैं फिर आऊँगा. I will come back again with my class. I will continue this chapter again. So till then, thank you very much.